Welcome back, LLE Explorers. Today we are in the Glazier Manufacturing Company. It's located here in Glastonbury. Give you a little summary here. It says the foundation and chimney you see before you are pieces of the original textile mill built by the Dean family in 1836 throughout its history. The Glazier Manufacturing Company, or former Salacombe site, as it's commonly referred to, encompass as many as 28 interconnected buildings. So I'm just gonna scroll for you guys could keep reading.
Show them how this looks. This is what we're gonna be seeing right now. The pieces of it, and this is how it used to look before.
Yep.
And we'll be seeing it right here on live once we get to it.
All right, guys. And this is it here.
Let's go to the front of it over there. So hopefully we can get a better view. We try to get around the whole thing so they all can get a view.
This is it, guys. They got more information. We'll be getting there soon. Right here gives another little summary, guys. Hopefully you guys could zoom in. All right. Here.
There you go. So I'll be taking over from right here so we could get a good view because Legend is acting. I mean, it says not to stay away from the structure, but I'll try to get as close as I can. Let me see what's over here. The Glazier Manufacturing Company. Looks like there was a big hole right there. Something caved that or something. Or the weather. Looks like the back door over there. It's closed with bricks. And this side. I'll try. Vengo ahora. It does say stay away, but I'm not here to make anything, injured or nothing. I'ma just take a sneak peek through here. Wow. I guess that's where the chimney part is at. This chimney goes up, who knows how much. Let's see. Whoa, nice. So, huge. It's a beautiful place. I mean, all structures. It looks like there was a structure down that way too. There's some steps right around there. There was also one over towards over there. Can't really see. So, well, ladies and gentlemen, this is where we came today. So hope you guys like it. Like, share, and subscribe. Take care.